Hi, I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. Today I want to introduce you to the new and improved Hobbyist Beginner Kit. It has been around for several years and we have made a number of improvements to it. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to make your own collars, you're in the right place. With just one click, you will be able to get everything that you need to get started. Let me show you all that you get with the kit. Will come with the two boxes like this. You'll get 2 rolls of biothane. This is 3/4 inch beta standard, orange 522 and blue 523, deep sea blue. We do not change the colors in the kit. If you want other colors, then you can go to the beta standard page and buy whatever color you'd like. You get 20 D-rings and 20 buckles, enough to make 20 collars. You also get a pack of 50 Chicago screws, which is plenty to make all of your collars. We include a pack of hang tags in case you ever want to sell your collars, and you have the hang tags to help you sell them. We give you a nice welcome card with a QR code on it, and the QR code will lead you right to this video. Now for the tools. In the kit is a mallet, and you get, let me set this over here so it's out of the way. You get 2 hole punches and an end punch, so you'll be able to cut your straps with nice rounded ends and also punch holes. This is a number 12C punch. It is the biggest of the 2 hole punches, and it will be used to make the holes for your Chicago screws. This is a number 8C punch. It's the smaller one, and it is used to make the adjustment holes on your collar. It comes with a round end punch that you will use to cut your straps. And last, oh, no, not last, you get a cutting block to protect the edges of your punches. And then you get a nice template that you can cut out and use when you're making your first collar. I will demonstrate that here in a moment. And that is everything that comes with the kit. So let's make a collar. First thing you want to do is cut your end nice and round with your round end punch. Look at it from both sides. Make sure it's going to go where you want it. These will come loose whenever you strike them. It's just part of it. And you just tighten that back up and your punch is tight again. And you measure out the length that you want and cut the other end. And there you have your strap. Now we'll use the template to mark and punch the holes for the buckle end. I'm using the number 12C because this is the end that the Chicago screws go in. Now we'll mark and punch the holes for the adjustment end. This is not an exact science, so you don't have to worry about getting it exactly precise. So now we have the strap made with the adjustment holes and ready for the buckle. So let's put it together. D-ring, buckle. We're going to need 2 Chicago screws, which means we will need 2 posts. It's somewhere on the floor. And 2 screws. So when you put these together, you want to put the nice side, the post, not the side with the slot, but you want the nice side showing when your buckle is finished. So you put those in here, just like that. Your buckle will end up like that. So you want to go up through here, down through here, put this first screw in. A few of these tools are not included, like my screwdriver and the tape measure that I used. Most people have those, so we didn't include them. And slip your D-ring on. And I like to finish with the slots going the same direction. Just kind of a nice little finishing touch. And now you have a very nice dog collar. And there you have it. It's easy and fun to make your own strong dog collars out of biothane. Hey, I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. Remember, better is possible.